Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome back to my kitchen. For today's recipe, I'm making a delicious breakfast recipe for chocolate balls that are raw vegan and absolutely tasty and delicious. So to get started, I have soaked a cup of almonds in some water and then rinsed them off. So they are going into a food processor, but you could use any nuts that you like. If you prefer walnuts, for example, then use those instead. I'm also adding in a cup of pecans. I just love the smooth, buttery type of flavour that they have. They're absolutely delicious. Also going in is half a cup of rolled oats, quarter of a cup of raw cacao powder or cocoa powder, whatever you have on hand and use will be delicious in this, no doubt. And then I'm also adding in 4 dried figs. I love the flavour of figs. I love their nutrition value, and if you don't have any on hand, then you could use some dates instead. Use some plump dates. I'm using very plump figs here, so just use whatever you have on hand and whatever you like the flavour, taste of as well. So I've also got a cup of sultanas, or you could use a cup of raisins, and I've soaked these with a tablespoon of vanilla extract as well. So these are going in. That vanilla smells so delicious. And then I also have a tablespoon of tahini going into this mixture as well. And now this is ready for a blitz up. Okay, so this has been running for about a good couple of minutes just to combine all of this really well. You want it to start to stick together so then you can shape this into miniature bliss balls. So little mini energy bites, and that is going to form our cereal base. So if you like, you could actually leave this mixture as it is and then maybe mix it with some rolled oats or some chia seeds and have that as a delicious cereal base for your breakfast. But I'm going to take it one step further and shape these into some small balls. So carefully remove the blade. You don't want to be cutting your fingers here. And take that out. And then just grab some of this mixture and make sure that it's at a stage where it's sticky, it's all well combined. The natural oils from the nuts have come out to combine all this and make it stick together, and just shape it into some small sized balls. So depending on what size you prefer or what shape, you could even make them a little bit different, make them a longer shape or make them into little mini balls about the size of peas, whatever you like. It's very, very flexible. So I'll shape all these into some balls and I'll show you the finished product. So just a simple tip when shaping these is just to get a handful and just squish it together, and then it's easy just to break off some small pieces. So that will actually help you to shape all of these really quickly. So once you've shaped a good handful of these into the sizes that you like, it's ready to eat. I have them in a nice breakfast bowl, and as you can see, they are delicious. They're small. I've done them about thumb sized, but it's up to you again what shape you want these in. And then I'm just going to top these with some plant-based milk. So today I've got a little bit of soy milk here, but if you wanted to keep this totally raw vegan, then you could make your own nut milk as well. Use almond milk over this. Absolutely delicious. Pour it on and it is ready to eat. And as you can see, there's a lot of mixture left. This is the serve I'm going to have. So this will keep you going for a good week or two, and you could even use it just to sprinkle over the top of other cereal that you like to have. Mix it with some fruit, some berries. The options are absolutely endless, and you can even use them to shape some bigger energy balls that you can have on hand during the day. If you get peckish and you want a quick snack, then these are great. But for me, this is going to be my breakfast today, and I cannot wait. It is so delicious. Fruity, nutty, chocolatey. It's a perfect combination. Absolutely yum. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. And why not join me in the Cooking with Plants Facebook group, where we share lots of tips and tricks, and people share their photos of recipes like this to see what they are making. And I would love to see you there. I'll leave a link for that below, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Breakfast time. That's so good.